बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं मोहम्मद सद्दीक, लेक्चरर इन केमिस्ट्री, और डान वर्चुअल एकेडमी के एक नए ट्यूटोरियल के साथ आपको खुशामदीद कहता हूं। डियर व्यूअर्स, पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के ज़ेर एहतमाम लेक्चरशिप के टेस्ट अनकरीब मुनक्कद हो रहे हैं। इस सिलसिले में हम आपको डान वर्चुअल एकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म से मुकम्मल गाइडलाइन फराहम करने जा रहे हैं। आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको केमिस्ट्री एमसीक्यूज के हवाले से गाइड करेंगे और हमारा सब टॉपिक है एमसीक्यूज फॉर लेक्चरर इन केमिस्ट्री टेस्ट ऑन एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, cathode rays are deflected by option 1 electric field only, magnetic field only, both A and B, none of this. So the answer will be C, both A and B। यानी कैथोड रेज जो हैं ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो है वो भी यानी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में भी डिफ्लेक्ट होती हैं और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में भी क्या होती हैं, डिफ्लेक्ट होती हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द EM वैल्यू फॉर पार्टिकल्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिंग कैथोड रेज इज द सेम regardless of the gas present in cathode rays tube, the metal of which cathode rays was made, C, both A and B, D, none। The answer is C, both A and B। Question number 3, the charge to mass ratio or E by M of positive particle varies with nature of gas in discharge tube, is independent of the gas in discharge tube, is constant, none of this। So the answer is A। Question number 4, a subatomic particle which has 1 unit mass and 1 unit positive charge is known as hydrogen atom, neutron, electron, proton। The answer is D, proton। Question number 5, atomic number of an element is equal to the number of and the nucleus of atom, neutrons, protons, both A and B, electrons। The answer is B, proton। Question number 6, the mass of an atom is equal to the number of and the nucleus of an atom, protons, neutrons, electrons, nucleons। The answer is D, nucleons। Question number 7, if Z is the number of proton and A is the number of nucleons, then the number of neutrons in an atom is given by A plus Z, A minus Z, Z minus A, none of this। The answer is B, A minus Z। Question number 8, the mass number and atomic number of phosphorus atom are 31 and 15 respectively. The number of neutrons and the nucleus is 15, 16, 31, 46. The answer is B, 16. Question number 9. In sodium atom, atomic number 11 and mass number 23, the number of neutrons is equal to the number of protons, less the number of protons, greater than number of protons, none of this. The answer is C, greater than a number of protons. Question number 10. Which of the following is not correct for electromagnetic waves? The wavelength is the distance between two successive crests. The frequency is the number of waves which pass a given point in a second. The velocity of a wave is the distance covered by the particular wave in 1 second. All electromagnetic waves have equal wavelengths. The answer is D. Question number 11. Which of the following relation is not correct? C is equal to lambda multiplied by nu. Nu bar 1 by nu. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Lambda is equal to C divided by nu. So the answer is B. Question number 12. The unit in which wave number is measured: hertz per second, nanometer per centimeter. The answer is D. Question number 13. In the spectrum of hydrogen atom, the series which falls in UV region is Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series. The answer is A. Question number 14. The Balmer series and the spectrum of hydrogen falls in UV region, visible region, IR region, none of this. The answer is B. Question number 15. In spectrum of hydrogen atom, the series which falls in IR region is Paschen series, Brackett series, Fund series, A, B and C. The answer is D. Question number 16. The energy of photon is given by E is equal to h mu by lambda, E is equal to hc by lambda, E is equal to hc by mu, E is equal to lambda multiplied by c by h. The answer is B. Question number 17. When a beam of light of sufficiently high frequency is allowed to strike a metal surface, in a vacuum electrons are ejected from the metal surface. This phenomena is called black body radiation, photoelectric effect, Zeeman effect, none of this. The answer is B. Question number 18. In a photoelectric effect, the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons increases linearly with the wavelength of incident light, frequency of incident light, velocity of incident light, none of this. The answer is B. Question number 19. The kinetic energy of photoelectrons emitted from the metal surface is given by the relation mu naught as the threshold frequency and mu as the frequency of incident light. 1 by 2 m square is equal to h mu minus h mu naught. 1 by 2m square is equal to h mu plus h mu naught. 1 by 2m square is equal to h mu. 1 by 2m square is equal to h mu naught square. So the answer is B. Question number 20. In Bohr model of atom, the angular momentum of an electron orbiting around the nucleus is given by the relation mvr is equal to h by 2 pi, mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi, mvr is equal to n square h square by 4 pi, mv is equal to nh by 4 pi. The answer is B. Question number 21. The radius of first orbit in hydrogen atom according to Bohr model is given by the relation r is equal to h square by 4 pi square me square. R is equal to h by 4 pi me square. R is equal to h square by 4 pi m e square. R is equal to h square 4 pi m e 4. The answer is A. Question number 22. The radius in the first orbit in hydrogen atom is 0.0529 angstrom. The radius of the second orbit is given by 1 by 2 multiplied by 0.0529 angstrom. 2 multiplied by 0.0529 angstrom. 4 multiplied by 0.0529 angstrom. 8 multiplied by 0.0529 angstrom. The answer is B. Question number 23. The energy of electron in first orbit in hydrogen atom is minus 313.6 K per n square calorie per mole. The energy of electron in third orbit is given by the relation E3 is equal to minus 313.6 by 3 kilocalorie per mole. E3 is equal to minus 313.6 by 2 kilocalorie per mole. E3 is equal to minus 313.6 by 9 kilocalorie per mole. E3 is equal to minus 313.6 multiplied by 3 kilocalorie per mole. The answer is C. Question number 24. Lyman series obtained when the electron come from higher energy levels return to first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. The answer is A. Question number 25. Balmer series obtained when the electron come from higher energy levels return to first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. The answer is B. Question number 26. Parsons series obtained when the electron come from higher energy levels return to first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit? The answer is C. Question number 27. Bracket series obtained when the electrons come from higher energy levels return to first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. The answer is D. Question number 28. In the spectrum of hydrogen atom, the series which falls in far IR region as Humphrey series, Fund series, Bracket series, Paschen series. The answer is A. Question number 29. Align in a Fund series is obtained when an electron from higher energy level returns to first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fifth orbit. The answer is D. Question number 30. The energy of an electron in Bohr atoms as we move away from the nucleus remains same, decreases, increases, sometime increases and sometime decreases. The answer is C. Question number 31. When an electron drops from a higher energy level to a lower energy level, then the energy is absorbed, the energy is released, the nuclear charge increases, the nuclear charge decreases. The answer is B. Question number 32. The spectrum of hydrogen atom is similar to that of hydrogen ion, helium ion, lithium ion, sodium ion. The answer is B. Question number 33. If R is the radius of first orbit, the radius of nth orbit of hydrogen atom will be n square R, n R, n by R, R by n. The answer is A. Question number 34. The ratio of radii of second and first orbit of hydrogen atom according to Bohr model is 2:1, 1:2, 4:1, 1:4. The answer is B. Question number 35. The spectrum of helium is expected to be similar to that of hydrogen atom, lithium ion, sodium ion. The answer is C. Question number 36. Electromagnetic radiation with minimum wavelength is UV, X-rays, IR, radio waves. The answer is B. Question number 37. The idea of stationary orbits was first given by Rutherford, J.J. Thomson, Niels Bohr, Max Planck. The answer is C. Question number 38. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in an orbit is 2n, n square, 2n square, 2n plus 1. The answer is C. Question number 39. The maximum number of electrons in the outermost orbit is 2, 8, 18, 32. The answer is B. Question number 40. When a source emitting lines is placed in a strong magnetic field, the spectral lines are split into its components. This effect is called Compton effect, Zeeman effect, Stark effect, Rydberg effect? The answer is B. Question number 41. When source emitting lines is placed in a strong electric field, the spectral lines are split into its components. This effect is called Compton effect, Zeeman effect, Stark effect, Rydberg effect. The answer is C. Question number 42. Inert gases possesses the most stable electronic configuration as they contain fully filled outermost shell, half filled outermost shell, 2 electrons in outermost shell, 8 electrons in outermost shell. The answer is D. Question number 43. The effect of electric field on the spectra of atom is called Compton effect, photoelectric effect, Stark effect, Zeeman effect. The answer is C. Question number 44. Which of the following species have the same number of electrons as an atom of neon? Oxygen minus 2, sodium, magnesium, potassium plus 1. The answer is A. Question number 45. The energy of an electron in the first Bohr orbit for hydrogen is 13.6 electron volt minus 13.6 electron volt, 1.36 electron volt minus 1.36 electron volt. The answer is B. The answer is B. Question number 46. The energy of hydrogen atom in its ground state is minus 13.6 electron volt. The energy of the level corresponding to N is equal to 3 is minus 4.53 electron volt minus 2.265 electron volt minus 1.51 electron volt. None of this. The answer is C. Question number 47. En is equal to minus 1300 यानी इकाई दहाई संख्या 1311.8 kilojoule per mole. If the value of E is minus 52.44 kilojoule per mole, to which value N corresponds? 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is D. Question number 48. The ground state of an atom correspond to the state of maximum energy, minimum energy, zero energy, negative energy. The answer is B. Question number 49. The spectrum of hydrogen atom is expected to be similar to that of lithium-ion, sodium-ion, helium-ion, potassium-ion. The answer is C. Question number 50. The value of Planck's constant H is 6.625 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 34. 6.625 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second. 6.625 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 34 kilojoule. 6.625 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 34 kilocalorie. The answer is B. Question number 51. The region of visible spectrum are 3, 7, 8, 5. The answer is B. Question number 52. A dual character of matter, particle and motion was proposed by de Broglie, Planck, Einstein, none. So the answer is A. Question number 53. The degenerated orbital of p subshell are 2, 3, 5, 7. The answer is B. Question number 54. The degenerated orbitals of D subshell are 4, 5, 7, 3. The answer is B. The degenerate orbitals of F subshell are 5, 7, 8, 4. The answer is B. Question number 56. The n plus L value for 4f will be 2, 5, 7, 9. The answer is C. Question number 57. Slow neutron are generally more effective than fast ones for the purpose of effusion, fission, penetration, absorption. The answer is B. Question number 58. The uncertainty principle was stated by de Broglie, Eisenberg, Einstein, none. So the answer is B. Question number 59. A spinning electron creates magnetic field, electric field, quantum field, none of these. The answer is A. Question number 60. The energy of bonded electron in hydrogen atom is positive, negative, 0, none. The answer is B. Question number 61. The mass of electron is 1.602 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 10 kilogram. 1.6022 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 19 kilogram. 9.1090 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 13 kilogram. None of this. The answer is C. Question number 62. Delta x multiplied by delta p is equal to h by 4 pi is equation is called Planck's equation, de Broglie's equation, Eisenberg's equation. None of this. So the answer is C. Question number 63. The particle detector used for the discovery of the nucleus is composed of metal foil, zinc sulfate, aluminium, sodium. The answer is B. Question number 64. The value of R, Rydberg constant, 1.0974 multiple 10 raised to the power 7 per meter. 1.0842 multiple 10 raised to the power 7. 1.0842 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 7. Both A and B. The answer is A. Question number 65. Which atomic orbital has lowest energy? 7s, 6p, 5d, 4f. The answer is D. Question number 66. Which atomic orbital has highest energy? 4d, 3s, 4s, 2s. The answer is A. Question number 67. The emission of radiation from nuclei of light atom by the bombardment of the moving particle is called radioactivity, artificial radioactivity, X-rays production, none of this. The answer is B. Question number 68. E is equal to h mu as the spectral equation, Planck's equation, de Broglie equation, Heisenberg equations. The answer is B. Question number 69. Spin quantum number may be minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, both A and B, none of this. The answer is C. Question number 70. 2s orbitals in energy than 1s, higher, lower, equal, none. So the answer is A. 2s orbital is higher in energy than 1s. Question number 71. Which is lighter than rest? Electron, proton, neutron, none of this. The answer is A. Question number 72. The charge of an electron is determined by J.J. Thomson, Crookes, R.M. Millikan, none. So the answer is C. Question number 73. The lightest and the simplest canal rays are formed in a discharge tube when is filled. Nitrogen, helium, hydrogen, oxygen. The answer is C. Question number 74. Alpha rays are actually one proton, two neutrons, two protons, two electrons, two protons, two neutrons, two protons, one neutrons. The answer is C. Question number 75. Which have better penetration power? Alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, X-rays. The answer is C. Question number 76. The wavelength of red color 600 to 630, 630 to 650, 100 to 200, none. The answer is B. Question number 77. The instrument which measure the absorbance or emission of intensity and frequency is called spectrophotometer, polarimeter, glucometer, calorimeter. The answer is A. Question number 78. Photons of yellow color are energetic than violet color. More, less, equal, none. The answer is B. Question number 79. Magnetic quantum number represents of orbital size, shape, orientation, none of this. The answer is C. Question number 80. Pauli's principle is applicable to degenerate orbitals, 2 electrons in same orbitals, 1 electron, none. So the answer is B. Question number 81. When L is equal to 0, then the orbital will be S, P, D, F. The answer is A. Question number 82. When L is equal to 1, then the orbital will be S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, or F orbital. The answer is B. Question number 83. When L is equal to 2, then the orbital will be S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, F orbital. The answer is C. Question number 84. When L is equal to 3, then the orbital will be S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, or F orbital. The answer is D. Question number 85. Neutrons was discovered by Chadwick, Bohr, Rutherford, Planck. The answer is A. Question number 86. The EM value for positive rays is maximum for hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, helium, hydrogen. The answer is D. Question number 87. The nature of positive rays depend on nature of discharge tube, nature of resident gas, nature of electrode, all of the above. The answer is B. Question number 88. Which of the following particles has longest wavelength if they have same speed? Proton, neutron, electron, positron. The answer is C. Question number 89. Alpha rays are neutrons, helium nuclei, proton, hydrogen nuclei. The answer is B. Question number 90. Charge of an electron is 1.6 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, 9.1 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 34 coulomb, 1.7588 multiple 10 raised to the power 11 coulomb, 6.62 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 34 coulomb. The answer is A. Question number 91. Mass of simple electron is 9.1 multiple 10 raised to the power 31 kilogram, 9.1 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 30 kilogram, 1.66 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 31 kilogram, 9.1 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 31 kilogram. The answer is D. Question number 92. The charge over mass ratio of electron is 1.6 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 1 coulomb per kilogram, 9.1 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 31, 1.7588 multiple 10 raised to the power 11 coulomb kilogram, 6.62 multiple 10 raised to the power minus 34 coulomb per kilogram. So the answer is C. Question number 93. Charge on electron was discovered by Millikan, Crook, Bohr, Rutherford. The answer is A. Question number 94. The E by M ratio of cathode rays is of E by M ratio of anode rays greater, same, smaller, not fixed. The answer is A. Question number 95. Which of the following particle has a mass 1 by 1836 times that of hydrogen? Neutron, proton, electron, positron. The answer is C. Question number 96. Anode is the surface on which the probability of finding electron is 50%, less than 10%, more than 50%, 0. The answer is D. Question number 97. When alpha particles are bombarded over Be atom, neutrons are released along with the oxygen, aluminium, carbon, phosphorus. The answer is C. Question number 80. Question number 98. The mass of alpha particle is equal to that of 1 electron, that of 1 proton, that of 1 hydrogen, 4 times the mass of 1 proton. So the answer is D. Question number 99. Quantum theory explained emission of radiations, absorption of radiation, both A and B, none of these. The answer is C. Question number 100. According to Planck quantum theory, light is often called quantum, deuteron, photon, proton. The answer is C. یہ C ہے, ٹھیک ہے, C A B C, یہ photon, ٹھیک ہے, photon. According to Planck quantum theory, light is often called photon. Question number 101. Wavelength as expressed in angstrom, nanometer, both, and micrometer. The answer is C. Question number 102. Greater the wavelength associated with the photon, greater is its energy, smaller is its energy will be variable, its energy will be remain constant. The answer is B. Question number 103. Energy of photon is related to wave number, wavelength, frequency, all of above. The answer is D. Question number 104. Greater the wave number of photon, greater is the energy associated with them, smaller is the energy associated with them, its energy will be variable, its energy will be remain constant. The answer is A. Question number 105. Sunlight show the type of line adsorption spectrum, line emission spectrum, continuous spectrum, band spectrum? The answer is C. Question number 106. Angular momentum of hydrogen electron is 2n by 2 pi, nh by 2 pi, nh by pi, hc by 2 pi. The answer is B. Question number 107. X-rays have same nature as cathode rays, gamma rays, beta rays, alpha rays. The answer is B. Question number 108. X-rays are attracted towards cathode, any electrode, anode, none of these. So the answer is D. Question number 109. X-rays was discovered by Bohr, Roentgen, Schrödinger, Rutherford. The answer is B. Question number 110. In 1913, Moseley used the X-rays to determine relative atomic mass, Avogadro's number, atomic number, mass number. The answer is C. Question number 111. Wave nature of moving electron was verified by Davison and Rutherford, Germer and Planck, de Broglie and Planck, Davison and Germer. The answer is D. Question number 112. Quantum number value of 2p orbitals are n is equal to 1, L is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0. So the answer is B. Question number 113. When 6d orbital is complete, entering electron goes into 7p, 7f, 7s, 7p. The answer is D. Question number 114. Orbitals having same energy are called degenerated orbitals, d orbitals, hybrid orbitals, valence orbitals. The answer is A. Question number 115. Spherically symmetrical orbital is S, F, P, D. The answer is A. Question number 116. An orbital can accommodate maximum of 18 electrons, 12 electrons, 8 electrons and 2 electrons. The answer is D. Thanks for your attention. Next topic of the discussion will be MCQs for lecturer in chemistry test on gaseous state of matter.